What happens to your gut if you eat avocado every day? Upon your initial consumption of avocados, you may immediately appreciate their delightful flavor. However, avocados possess qualities beyond their taste alone. They stand out as one of the most nutritious fruits available, particularly beneficial for your gastrointestinal well-being. In the present video, we will delve into the effects of daily avocado consumption on your gut. Avocado actively contributes to the enhancement of your gut microbiota. Furthermore, we will explore its potential to alleviate constipation, its influence on various bodily functions, and its ability to reduce cholesterol levels. Prepare to delve into these topics and more in our comprehensive discussion. 1. Gut flora. The human gut harbors a diverse array of bacteria, with estimates suggesting the presence of approximately 1,000 distinct types. Many of these bacteria serve the purpose of safeguarding against infections and performing various other functions. Generally, individuals possess roughly 4 times more beneficial bacteria than harmful ones. However, avocados can aid in increasing the proportion of beneficial bacteria. Research studies have demonstrated that incorporating avocados into your diet can have a positive impact on your gut health. Avocado consumption not only enhances the population of beneficial bacteria in the intestines but also assists in reducing bile levels. By promoting the growth of gut flora, you contribute to fortifying your immune system against diseases and reduce the risk of chronic conditions like cancer and diabetes. It is not necessary to consume excessive amounts of avocado daily to enjoy these advantages. Ideally, including it in one meal per day suffice. For instance, you can enjoy an avocado sandwich for breakfast or opt for an avocado banana smoothie. Women can aim for approximately 140 grams of avocado consumption, while men can aim for around 175 grams. 2. Prevents constipation. Prepare to be captivated by guacamole for yet another compelling reason. Avocados boast an abundance of nutrients that contribute significantly to maintaining regular and healthy bowel movements. A single cup of avocados contains a noteworthy 10 grams of fiber, encompassing both soluble and insoluble varieties. Research indicates that substituting carbohydrates with the fats and fiber derived from avocados can induce a prolonged feeling of satiety, potentially supporting weight loss efforts. By incorporating avocados into your diet on a regular basis, you can promote regularity in your bowel movements. Remarkably, if you frequently experience constipation, an avocado smoothie might serve as an effective remedy. 3. Incredibly nutritious. The majority of fruits you consume tend to be rich in carbohydrates, but avocados present a slightly different scenario. They are notably abundant in healthy fats, which is why they have earned the esteemed title of a superfood. Within a 100-gram serving of avocado, you will find more than 20% of your daily recommended intake of both vitamin K and folate. Additionally, it provides 10 to 17% of your daily requirements for vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B5, and vitamin B6. While avocados do contain 9 grams of carbohydrates, a significant portion of 7 grams is comprised of dietary fiber. This disparity holds significance, as it means your body will only absorb a mere 2 grams of carbohydrates, while the remaining 7 grams of fiber will be excreted through your stool. 4. High in potassium. The everyday foods you consume generally lack an adequate amount of potassium. Extensive research has demonstrated that maintaining high levels of potassium can effectively reduce blood pressure, subsequently lowering the risk of heart attacks and kidney failure. While bananas are widely recognized for their potassium content, avocados surpass them as an even more abundant source. Consuming 100 grams of avocados accounts for 14% of the daily recommended intake of this vital mineral. The significance of potassium lies in its role as an essential electrolyte that facilitates the conduction of electrical impulses throughout the body. These impulses serve as messengers, enabling organs to coordinate and function harmoniously. Potassium plays a crucial part in various bodily functions, including digestion, heart rhythm, pH balance, and nerve activity. Additionally, this vital mineral aids in muscle contractions, regulates blood pressure, and maintains a healthy water balance within the body. Factors that can contribute to potassium deficiency include kidney disease, excessive use of diuretics, vomiting, diarrhea, excessive sweating, and even the use of certain antibiotics. 5. Monounsaturated fatty acids. If concerns about the fat content in avocados have left you apprehensive, prepare to have your perspective transformed. Not all fats should be regarded as detrimental to your well-being. In fact, some fats are essential for maintaining good health. A 100-gram serving of avocado contains approximately 160 calories, with over 75% of these calories derived from fats. However, it is crucial to note that these fats are of the beneficial variety that actually improve the health of your heart. The primary fat present in avocados is oleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid also found in olive oil, renowned for its numerous health benefits. Oleic acid boasts anti-inflammatory properties and helps reduce the risk of developing cancer. Avocado oil can also be utilized for cooking purposes, as it exhibits resistance to oxidation when exposed to heat. Opting for avocado oil in your culinary endeavors ensures a healthier and safer cooking experience, as it remains nutritionally intact and doesn't undergo oxidation when heated. 6. Fiber. Fiber, despite being categorized as a non-nutrient, is an essential component that your body requires. Surprising as it may sound, fiber lacks nutritional value, but its significance as a food cannot be overstated. Consuming fiber-rich foods plays a crucial role in weight management and helps regulate blood sugar levels by promoting a prolonged feeling of fullness. With high-fiber meals, you can avoid sudden spikes in blood sugar. Fiber exists in two forms, soluble and insoluble. The soluble type of fiber is particularly beneficial for the thriving population of beneficial bacteria in your gut, as they consume it, subsequently promoting gut health. On the other hand, insoluble fiber contributes to the bulk and softness of your stool, facilitating smooth and effortless passage. A 100-gram serving of avocado supplies approximately 27% of the recommended daily fiber intake, amounting to 7 grams. Out of this fiber content, roughly 25% is soluble, while the remaining percentage is insoluble. 7. Lower cholesterol. Elevated levels of cholesterol and triglycerides significantly increase the risk of experiencing a heart attack. However, research indicates that incorporating avocados into your diet can effectively reduce levels of LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, by approximately 22%. Furthermore, avocados have the remarkable ability to increase levels of HDL cholesterol, known as good cholesterol, by 11%. Additionally, avocados demonstrate the capacity to lower triglyceride levels in the bloodstream by as much as 20%. These findings highlight the beneficial impact avocados can have on improving your cholesterol and triglyceride profile, thus reducing the likelihood of heart-related complications. 8. Nutrient absorption. It is essential to consume a variety of nutrient-rich foods to meet your body's requirements. However, the effectiveness of these nutrients is contingent upon their absorption within the body. For instance, vitamins A, D, E, and K, along with important antioxidants like carotenoids, are classified as fat-soluble. This implies that they can only be utilized by the body when consumed in conjunction with dietary fat. If your diet lacks healthy fat-rich foods, these valuable nutrients may go to waste. This is where avocados come into play. Avocados are rich in beneficial fats that facilitate the absorption of these vitamins and antioxidants. A study even demonstrated that incorporating avocados into your diet can enhance the absorption rate of antioxidants within your body. Furthermore, you can employ avocado oil for cooking purposes, further capitalizing on its beneficial properties. By incorporating avocados and avocado oil into your meals, you optimize the absorption of essential nutrients, maximizing their benefits for your overall health. 9. Powerful antioxidants. Avocados play a vital role in facilitating the absorption of antioxidants within your body. Interestingly, avocados themselves serve as an excellent source of nutrients that promote overall health. Within avocados, you'll find specific antioxidants that hold significant importance for various organs, particularly the eyes. Conditions such as cataracts and macular degeneration commonly affect adults. However, research has indicated that the specific antioxidants present in avocados are associated with a reduced risk of developing cataracts. By incorporating avocados into your diet, you not only contribute to improved vision but also ensure long-term maintenance of your eye health. 10. Prevents cancer. Avocados have the potential to inhibit the proliferation of cancer cells within the body. In laboratory experiments, avocado extract exhibited the ability to restrict the growth of prostate cancer cells. Furthermore, other test tube studies have showcased additional properties of avocados that can mitigate the side effects typically associated with chemotherapy. Therefore, incorporating avocados into your daily diet presents a favorable option for reducing the risk of cancer and potentially mitigating its detrimental effects. 11. Arthritis. Arthritis is a prevalent chronic condition commonly experienced by older individuals, often persisting throughout their lives. However, research has indicated that extracts derived from avocados, as well as soybeans, have shown promise in alleviating symptoms associated with osteoarthritis. By exploring the potential benefits of these natural extracts, individuals affected by arthritis may find relief from the challenges posed by this condition. 12. Weight loss. Incorporating avocados into your daily diet offers an additional benefit, supporting weight loss efforts. A study revealed that individuals who included avocados in their meals reported feeling 23% more satisfied compared to those who did not consume the fruit. Furthermore, participants demonstrated a 28% reduction in their desire to eat over the subsequent 5 hours. By adding avocados to your meals, you are less likely to consume excessive calories throughout the day. With its low-carb content and abundant fiber, avocados can increase the likelihood of shedding those extra pounds. Undoubtedly, avocados are a nutritious choice that supports your overall well-being. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.